Have you ever seen a rainbow in the light of the moon? A moonbow is a rare phenomenon that can only be seen when the appropriate lunar brightness, angle of elevation, and levels of moisture in the air align. They are said to bring happiness to those who see them. In order to film this phenomena, we met the photographic challenges posed when shooting on the darkest of nights. Finally, a moonbow was captured as vividly as a rainbow at midday, in a setting so dark that nothing could be seen with the naked eye. This was achieved thanks to Canon CMOS sensors. CMOS sensors, much like the human retina, convert light into electrical signals and are the most important devices for digital imaging equipment. While they offer low power consumption and fast readout speeds, they were susceptible to noise generation. So Canon developed noise-canceling technology. This made it possible to achieve rich gradations and faithful, precise details with reduced noise. Ultra-high sensitivity CMOS sensors were developed in pursuit of vivid video capture even in environments so dark the human eye can't see. By increasing the area of each pixel, these sensors make image capture possible with even less light. Canon has increased pixel size to approximately 7.5 times that of conventional pixels. While the typical upper limit of sensitivity for image capture is approximately ISO 3200, Canon has successfully developed a CMOS sensor that makes possible sensitivity equivalent to ISO 4,000,000. Amid rising demand for surveillance and crime prevention video capture, Canon's ultra-high sensitivity CMOS sensor, which can capture vivid color images of dark environments, is expanding the range of possible uses for CMOS sensors. In addition to pursuing higher resolution, Canon is continuing to develop an ultra-high pixel count CMOS sensor. By reducing pixel size, a greater number of pixels can fit in the same area, facilitating high-resolution image capture. Rising to the challenge of pixel miniaturization, Canon successfully developed a 250 million pixel CMOS sensor. An ultra-high pixel count CMOS sensor can distinguish the lettering of an airplane flying 18 kilometers away and achieve a resolution approximately 30 times higher than that of 4K video. Devices like ultra-high sensitivity and ultra-high pixel count CMOS sensors, which achieve previously impossible visual expression, are produced from development to manufacture in state-of-the-art clean rooms. This technology can be found in such digital imaging devices as digital SLR cameras. CMOS sensors harbor enormous potential, not only for surveillance and crime prevention, but also for space and astronomical observation, and in the medical field. By uncovering an unseen world, Canon CMOS sensors contribute to the creation of a prosperous society.